The first screen in Navigator is Welcome Page, and it has a login feature. Clicking on Login will bring you to a second screen where you can enter your credentials. When I enter my username and password, and then I click on Login, I receive a pop-up like this. Make sure your internet browser is not blocking any pop-ups. Once you see the pop-up, you are asked to update the contact information. The information inside the pop-up screen will be defaulted to what we have on file. What that means is there is one person who has been designated in each organization for which the username and password is linked to their email. This person is the primary contact. He or she will receive notification when a password reset is requested through the Navigator system. If the name of the person showing is no longer the primary contact, go ahead and complete the fields accordingly. Let us know which type of contact this person is in the QIP category drop-down menu. The executive director shown here is currently the primary contact. Clicking on the drop-down menu, I could change this person to a secondary contact, a QI lead, or an executive assistant. The grayed out fields cannot be modified. If this information is incorrect, please send us an email. The pop-up window also includes the question, "Are you the primary QI contact?" The default is to include this as checked off. If this person is no longer the primary QI contact, uncheck this box. Doing so will open up an option to include the primary contact below. Once you have completed the information accordingly, don't forget to hit Save. Once the information is completed and saved, you will receive a reminder note. Primary indicators have been provided to you with a technical specification. If you do not think the technical specifications match what you want to measure, then you are creating a custom indicator. And it is important to use the custom indicator creation function in Navigator for this purpose. Even if you want to use a different data period or a subpopulation of the priority indicator, that type of modification needs to be included in the creation of a custom indicator. You will learn about how to create custom indicators in a subsequent video. To review the technical specifications, they are available here through this hyperlink. Clicking on this hyperlink, you will receive a PDF. This PDF copy of the technical specifications can be downloaded and saved for ease of reference while you're completing your QIP. Email us if you have any questions about them. Moving back to Navigator and closing the reminder window, we see that we are logged in. I can see the welcome message and the option to log out. From here, I can continue with the QIP journey.